Your lesson essential question is, how do we measure length using different units? So you're going to be learning how to measure length. Remember, length is how long something is, using different units. Yesterday you learned how to measure it to the nearest inch. Today we're going to be adding to that. If you look at this book, I'm starting at the 0 to measure it, and it ends on the 12th, so my book is 12 inches. I know that a ruler is also a foot long. So my book is 12 inches, but it's also 1 foot. A foot is bigger than an inch, so I have to use less feet to measure than inches. You can use different units to measure objects. Would you use more units of feet or yards to measure the length of this bookcase? If we measure the bookcase in feet, it's about 3 feet long, and you can see the 3 rulers, 1, 2, 3. If you measure the bookcase in yards, it's about 1 yard long. Here it is up against a yardstick. I use more units of feet than yards because a foot is a smaller unit than a yard. Let's look at this chalkboard. I can guess that this chalkboard is about 3 feet. 3 feet would be 1 yard. I would use more feet than yards because feet are smaller. Let's also look at number 6. About how long is a key? Which tool would you use to measure the length of a key? So we have inches, feet, and yards. I know that a key is definitely not 3 feet long, let alone 6 feet long to make 2 yards. 2 feet would be 2 whole rulers. I know that a key is not 2 whole rulers. 2 inches makes the most sense. Which tool would you use to measure the length of a key? I would use a ruler because the ruler shows inches.